Dan, and in today's video we're going to go through the easiest way to get into programming, and it will work on a Mac or a PC. So currently I'm on my Mac, but so to get started we're going to go to visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads, and then we're going to go down to all downloads, and then if you're on a Windows PC, drop down Visual Studio, then get the Community Edition because that's free. And then if you're on Mac, then Visual Studio for Mac, which is going to be retiring on the 31st of August, so there will be another video to go through this Visual Studio code, but there's a little bit more setup on that with extensions and stuff, so we'll get onto that in another video. And so once you've downloaded all that, you can load Visual Studio up, and the first thing we're going to do is click on New or New Project, select Console Application, and if it's not here, it should be under Web and Console App, and then Console App, and then click on Continue, leave all that, and then I'm going to call it a Test Console Project. Doesn't really matter what you call it, it's just the name that it uses. Then click Create. Okay, so this is your file, which is where all your code goes into. And so basically console.writeLine basically writes to a terminal, and then this is what it's going to write to it. So we've got a play icon here which will run the project. So if we click that, it will come up and then it will close. And so you're wondering why? Well, that's because console applications do line by line, and then if there's no more code or there's nothing to stop it, it will just exit. So to stop that from happening, there's another command called console.readKey, which basically it will wait until it has any key to press, so anything on your keyboard, so any sort of input into console, and then it will continue from there, and then it will close. So now if we run it, so now we've got it running now, and it's got the hello world printed, and then it's going to wait now for a key to be pressed, so any key, and then it will close. So, and then you can change this to whatever you want. So this is my first console application. Then you can click Control S or Command S to save, and run it again. And now it's got, this is my first console application, and now it's waiting on this line for read key. And that is the basics of programming, and it should be pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, please comment and like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks.